Hey guys, welcome back to Geonaz once again. I hope you all are doing great. In today's world, programming language plays an important role in the field of earth science, environmental science, and geosciences. And as the students of these branches, we do a lot of coding using different programming languages like Python and R. And the best thing of using these languages is it's completely free and open source. So in today's tutorial I will show you how to download Anaconda, which is like a main tree of having all those different programming language branches. And once you download and install Anaconda, you will be able to use a number of programming languages like Jupyter Notebook, Spider, Python, RStudio. And I will also demonstrate you how to use Python to write your first code. So without further delay, let's get started.
Okay, so what you have to do is simply open your Google Chrome and type Anaconda. So you will be at the Anaconda's main page. So once you get to there in Anaconda's page, you go to product and select individual edition and scroll down to the bottom of this page and click on download. So here you can see the Anacondas installers for both PC, Macs and Linux. So it depends on your computer's configuration and operating system. So I have Windows and 64-bit operating system, so I will download this 64-bit graphical installer, which has a total size of 466 MB. So click here, so it will start downloading. So choose the path where you want to put it, and I will save it here in Anaconda folder and just click save. It will take time. It depends on your internet connectivity and the speed of your internet. So you see mine is quite fast, so it's almost done. 21 seconds left. So once it's get downloaded, then I will open this software and then we'll do the same installation process as we do for other softwares. So you can see it's done now, and let's open it. Okay, so install. It's always better to perform like run as administrator, so I always prefer to do that. Yes. Okay, so you need to perform these things next, and you need to really agree with the terms and conditions. So I agree, and it's asking where you want to install, for just for yourself or for all users. If other people also using your PC, then I'll go for just me, which is recommended as well. Yeah, so here's something advanced options like add Anacondas 3 to my path environment variables, register Anaconda 3 as my default, Python 3.7. So yeah, I will go for 3.7 and install. So again, it will take time. Okay, so by the time it's being done, I just want to show you one more thing. Let's go back to the site from where we have downloaded, and you can see here Python 3.7 version is available, and also Python 2.7. so I have downloaded Python 3.7, and I really recommend you to download always the highest versions and the latest one, because if you download the latest one, you will be able to use all those latest features are available on this latest version. So far we have 3.7 and it's available now, so always try to download the latest versions. Okay, so you can see it's completed now, and let's next. So it's done. Finish it. Okay, so it's done. I think it's asking for feedback or something. We don't need to do anything with it, just close. Okay, so the installation is done, and you can see the shortcut of Anaconda is here. So let's open it. It will take time to open for the first time. So you can see this is the website from where you can download Anaconda and install on your PC. I'll give this website in the description of this tutorial, so you can click there and direct download from there. Okay, so we are here in the main page of Anaconda. So when you will open it for the first time, it will show you some of the instructions, and yes, I would like to help improve Anaconda. And then if you want to see this message again, then click OK, or if you don't want to see this again, then just click OK and don't show again. So you can see, as I told you about Anaconda, the main tree, which has many programming languages on it. So you can see, as I told you about Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Lab, Spider 4.0.1, IPython, and also RStudio. So you can use any of these based on your purpose. And in the left side there are some other tools like environment, learning, communities, where other researchers and data scientists they use this community forum to raise any issues or update any libraries. So you can join these communities and explore this later on. So for now, let's open Spider 4.0.1. So when you will open Spider 4 for the first time, it will take a bit longer time, and this will depends on your computer configuration. Okay, so we are here finally here in the main page of Python 3.7 in Spider. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded and installed Python on your PC. So for the first time, when you will open, you will get these notifications about the latest versions available to download, but let's skip this for now. And it's asking for install Kite. Kite is like a compatible tool or the editing page where you can write your codes, but for now we don't need. Let's cancel it. Okay, so let's explore this main page a bit more in details. So you can see in the left side, this is the editor where we write all our commands here, and then we transfer these commands using the this run file key or by pressing F5 to this console. This is the console. This is kind of like this is help and variable explorer. If you select this, so all the files you will command here, that will be shown here, and the plots you will generate using the codes that would be visible in this plot sections, and the files, whatever the files you have on your PC, that would be that would be shown here. Okay, so this is the general the normal page looks like, and let's click on tools and preference. So you can set this page based on your preference and the way you like. So click on appearance, and you can see here different options are available. So this is now like the pastel color. So if you want to change it to a different color, you just change it here. Say I want in like spider, so that would be in white color. So let's apply. You can see that the interface has been completely changed. The look has been changed. So again, let's go to preference and change the format, like the text here. So the current text is like Courier new and size is 12. So I want it in consoles format and change the size to, let's say, 10, right? So you will see the size has been smaller now. It's 10. Okay, let's put it back to Courier new, or maybe consoles, but increase the size to 12. and change the spider to spider dark. Yeah, so let's put it in this color, spider dark. Okay, so before applying this new spider dark theme, I just want to show you some other things like the keyboard shortcuts. Here all the shortcuts available for writing the codes and for other command lines function. So for example, F5 is for run, and also you can use control enter for run a command, and control Q for quit, and a lot of other shortcuts here. You can also explore this Python interpreter, run editor, a lot of other things, and help is also available. Okay, so appearance is spider dark, plain text is consoles, and size is 12. Let's apply it, and it will ask for restart. Yes. So it will change the appearance now. Okay, so you can see the size of this text and the format has been changed now. Before writing any comments on the section, you need to define the path from where the command will call the files. So let's specify the path. Okay, so here specify the path. Okay, so let's specify the path here, Python tutorial, select the files. Okay, so whatever the files are available inside this folder would be visible here. So if you go to files and see, only one file is there, and if you double click it, it will open whatever the contents are in the file. So this is about country, age, and their income, and whether the country, the people have car or not. So based on the age and income, it will define whether the person has car or not in this country. So these two, age and income, are like the independent variables, and car is dependent variable. So based on this, is depending upon the age and income of individual people of this country, it will define whether they have car or not. Okay, so I know we are very excited to write our first command line in Python. So let's write print hello world, and let's run it. So you can run it either by selecting in the line and then press Ctrl and enter, or you can also, after selecting, you can also press this file tool, or you can simply press F5. So let's do it in this way, select and press Ctrl enter. So you can see it's here, hello world. Okay, so congratulations for writing your first code in Python. And also you can do other things, several other things, is like you need to import the files here in the command line. For example, this file is here. So how will you import the file? Before importing file, you need to install some packages. For example, importing the numpy files, which is one of the main package for Python. Okay, so that's all about this tutorial, and I hope this will help you to download and install Anacondas on your PC and write your first commands on Python. And in the next tutorial, I'll give you more demonstrations about the codings and how you will write small codes in Python, and how you will generate different plots, and how to install different packages to run the commands in Python. Okay, so that's all about this tutorial, and I hope this will help you to download and install Anaconda on your own PC and write your first command on Python. So if you enjoy this tutorial, then like it and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Geonaz for all other upcoming tutorials on different programming languages and other geospatial technologies. Stay tuned to Geonaz and take care of yourself. Bye.